Tower Bridge and Shad Thames are iconic landmarks in London with their own unique charm. Here are 5 amusing and lesser-known facts about them. Tower Bridge's color change. Tower Bridge is often recognized for its distinctive blue color. However, it's not widely known that the bridge was originally painted a chocolate brown color when it first opened in 1894. It wasn't until 1977, during its centenary year, that it was painted the iconic blue and white colors we see today. Tower Bridge's Olympic-sized mistake. During the 2012 London Olympics, Tower Bridge was used as a backdrop for various events. However, there was a small mishap when the Olympic rings were hung from the bridge. The rings were initially hung incorrectly, with the colors in the wrong order. It caused a stir and was quickly rectified, but it remains a humorous Olympic moment. Shad Thames unique street names. Shad Thames, a historic street near Tower Bridge, has a quirky feature when it comes to its street names. The names of the streets in the area all relate to the maritime and dockside history of the neighborhood. You'll find names like Clink Street, Rope Street, and Butler's Wharf Pier. It's a playful nod to the area's past. Tower Bridge's glass floor surprises. The high-level walkways of Tower Bridge offer visitors stunning views of London. However, what surprises many people is the glass floor sections that allow you to see the traffic passing below. Walking over these glass sections can be a thrilling and slightly disorienting experience, especially for those with a fear of heights. Shad Thames hidden pubs. Shad Thames is known for its trendy restaurants and converted warehouses, but it also hides some unique and charming pubs. The area has a few hidden gems like the Angel, a pub tucked away in a former warehouse building. These hidden pubs provide a cozy and unexpected retreat amidst the vibrant atmosphere of Shad Thames.